Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Very good. How are you?
I am also good, thank you very much. So, the first question, which for us is very interesting, how did your musical journey start and when did you start your musical journey?
All right. So my musical journey, if you have to sum it up in a few lines, it's going to be tough. Um, I started music because of the musical influences that I got from my parents. Very music-loving family. None of us are in the profession of music, but music was always a part of our household. Morning to evening, there will be music played or sung. So even though I did not have that kind of gurus or teachers very early on, my mother started teaching me music. So that's how I got into music. And slowly, my mother, father both realized that I do have a bit of a talent, and my voice was getting recognized by even our friends and families. And we got serious about it, started looking for teachers, and eventually learned music. And one by one, things happened. So I started very early in my life. All my first steps towards music were at a when I was probably 9 or 10 years old. I came on television. Then I did my first album or recordings when I was 12 or 13. Then my first film song happened when I was 16. So everything was early, but it's been a great blessing. I have been very fortunate.
Thank you very much. What is your most memorable performance?
Many. I do have now, because of so many performances over the years. Every concert is in a way memorable, but certain venues have a lot of uh, aura or dignity, or just the joy of being in that kind of a auditorium theater which has a lot of history. I think those are the moments that I have enjoyed a lot. So for example, I've done a couple of shows in Royal Albert Hall in London, and that was spectacular because I know that the artist whom I have looked up to, Lataji, she was one of the first Indian artists to perform in that theater. And what a magical moment for me. Then I did in Sydney Opera House. uh, that also was so beautiful, and the acoustics of that place and just the vibe, felt very honored. Apart from the arenas and the stadiums, like big ones are always special, but certain theaters have a lot of history, so I feel fortunate.
What was your favorite movie where you are working with?
I think every film that I've sung for of Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has been the most amazing, enriching experience for me, because I love him. He has been my mentor from the day one. He is the one who first spotted me and gave me my first break in Hindi films. Um, but the way he works, the passion, the thought, the execution, the perfection, he is one of the most in-depth directors and music director. He is a composer himself, so the way he visualizes not just the audio of the song, that how it will look, the nuances of the song, how it should be sung, there's a lot of passion and love in the way he works. And of course the songs are beautiful, but the process of working is beautiful as well. So I look forward to working in his films.
Your last performance was in September in the UAE. And of course, for our community, Indian community in the UAE, we want to know when it will be next one.
Oh, I always look forward to coming to Dubai. Dubai is an extension of our country, so it doesn't really feel like too far away. The energy, the way, the infrastructure, the love, just the audience that we look forward to singing for over and over again. So I hope that I come very soon. And before I say anything more, I would just love to say that how fortunate and what a beautiful experience to work with the UAE Philharmonic Orchestra this time. And I'm so happy to have such phenomenal artists and players in our performance that we are going to do today. And just to see how quickly they learned the nuances of our Indian songs, because they have the way our Indian songs have, how the orchestration is done is a little different from the Western songs. So Prakash Peter, who did the arrangement for us, he was very excited when he went for the rehearsals and saw each and every member of the orchestra so well prepared, well rehearsed, very methodical, extremely expressive, and a delight to work with. The conductor Nicholas is superb. The whole team, the manager as well. So I look forward to many more concerts with you guys, and maybe we'll do something that you're asking for. That when is the next you in UAE? We'll do something together. What's it?
I will ask serious questions.
Okay. Serious question.
Yes. What is love?
What is love? Love is, how difficult a question. Why would you ask me such tough ones? I am much. Love is a feeling that is hard to describe, honestly. It is a feeling of gratitude. It's a feeling of just feeling alive. Firstly, like if you feel loved, if you feel that you fall in love with something or somebody, couple of things which are a constant part of that feeling is, firstly, the feeling of gratitude, that I have a life which allows me to be surrounded by people who give me that respect, that trust, and I'm able to show the same love and that trust and faith in that person. And I think that's what love is. Love is a feeling of being at peace with yourself without feeling judged about anything. Feeling one with your own heart and mind is the feeling of love.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye. See you.
Bye bye.